Hi friends, welcome to Family Entertainment. Today we're here with some exciting new information just for you. We're about to embark on a culinary journey around the world, exploring unique and mouth-watering dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. So let's dive right in. From the hearty stews of Europe to the vibrant flavors of South America and Asia, we'll be uncovering culinary treasures that will leave you craving for more. Get ready to expand your palate and discover the incredible diversity of global cuisine. Friends, please remember that some dishes may not be suitable for the Muslim community. So, before trying any dish, kindly check the ingredients to ensure they align with your religious guidelines. First stop, the United Kingdom. You lot think you know British food, eh? Bangers and mash? Rubbish. We're diving into a proper dish, fish pie. This is a classic, a symphony of flaky white fish, maybe a bit of salmon for color, all swimming in a creamy sauce and blanketed with golden potatoes and a sprinkle of cheese. Don't even think about serving this with soggy bottoms, you hear me? Crisp and piping hot, that's the only way. This ain't some fancy restaurant muck, this is proper home cooking. It'll warm you up on a cold night, fill your belly and leave you wanting seconds. Fish pie, it's a national treasure, and don't you bloody forget it. Next up, we're jetting off to Brazil, where the food is as vibrant and exciting as a carnival. Forget your boring old pastries, we're having pastel de forno. These little beauties are like flavor bombs waiting to explode in your mouth. Imagine this: flaky pastry, golden brown, filled with anything you can imagine. Chicken, beef, prawns, cheese, even sweet fillings. It's a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. One bite, and you'll be saying obrigado for this taste of Brazilian heaven. Now we're off to Spain, where the sun is hot and the food is even hotter. We're digging into fabada asturiana, a stew that'll put hairs on your chest. This ain't for the faint of heart, it's a carnivore's dream. We're talking pork, bacon, chorizo, all simmered together with beans until it's thick and rich. This is proper stick-to-your-ribs food, perfect for a cold winter's day. One bowl of this and you'll be shouting, "Ole!" Let's fly over to Lebanon now, where the food is as rich in history as it is in flavor. We're trying sfiha, a meat pie that's anything but boring. It's all about the lamb, people. Ground lamb, spiced to perfection, nestled on a bed of dough and baked to crispy perfection. But it's not just about the meat. Oh no, we've got onions, tomatoes, herbs and spices, all working their magic to create a flavor explosion in every bite. Finish it off with a dollop of tangy yogurt, and you've got a taste of Lebanon that'll leave you wanting more. Hold on to your hats, folks. We're heading to Portugal for a culinary adventure. Get ready for francesinha, a sandwich that's not for the faint of heart. This thing is stacked higher than a Portuguese fortress, and it's packed with enough meat to feed a small army. We're talking ham, sausage, beef, bacon, all piled high on crusty bread. And as if that wasn't enough, it's covered in melted cheese and drowned in a rich, savory sauce. This is a sandwich for champions, a true test of your appetite. Next stop, Uruguay, the land of tango, and you guessed it, more meat. This time it's chivito, a sandwich that's so much more than just a sandwich. It's a celebration of all things meaty and delicious. Picture this: a mountain of juicy steak, piled high with crispy bacon, savory ham, and a perfectly fried egg. But wait, there's more. We've got melted mozzarella, juicy tomatoes, and tangy olives, all adding their own unique flavors to this symphony of deliciousness. One bite, and you'll understand why Uruguay is a meat lover's paradise. Let's spice things up a bit with a trip to Colombia, where the coffee is strong and the food is even bolder. Get ready for sancocho, a soup that's like a warm hug on a cold day. It's packed with hearty ingredients like potatoes, yuca, corn, plantains, and your choice of meat, all simmered together in a flavorful broth. This is comfort food at its finest, a taste of Colombian home cooking that will warm your soul and leave you feeling satisfied. So grab a spoon and dig in. This is one culinary adventure you won't want to miss. Next up, we're off to Japan, the land of the rising sun and some of the most incredible noodles on the planet. Get ready for yakisoba, a dish that's as much fun to eat as it is to say. These stir-fried noodles are the perfect combination of savory, sweet, and a little bit tangy. We're talking chewy noodles, perfectly cooked and coated in a flavorful sauce, then tossed with your choice of protein and a rainbow of veggies. It's a symphony of textures and flavors that will leave you wanting more. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading to Bolivia for a culinary adventure that's not for the faint of heart. Get ready for mondongo, a spicy pork curry that will set your taste buds on fire. This dish is all about bold flavors and rich aromas. We're talking tender pork, simmered to perfection in a fiery sauce made with chilies, cumin, and a blend of secret spices. It's the kind of dish that will make you sweat, but you'll be coming back for more. Last but not least, we're finishing our culinary journey in Guatemala, a land of ancient ruins and incredibly flavorful food. Get ready for Vjkhan, a traditional stew that's been warming hearts and stomachs for centuries. This dish is all about slow-cooked chicken, simmered in a rich, flavorful broth with onions, garlic, green peppers, and a touch of heat from jalapenos. It's the kind of dish that gets better with time, and it's best enjoyed with a side of fluffy rice to soak up all that delicious sauce. So there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of some of the most unique and delicious foods from around the globe. Remember, this is just a taste of what's out there. The world is your oyster, so get out there and explore all the amazing culinary adventures that await. Thank you for watching Family Entertainment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay safe.